Hello, a very good day. My name is Kirtana Malar, daughter of Ravichandran, and my matric number is 01DDT20F2072. Today, I would like to present about demonstration practical exercise 1. First, the question is about demonstrate NTP output, clock status and associations. Clearly about NTP on 3 routers based on questions. First, let I start from the router PO. Okay, click at the router PO. Then now I type show NTP associations. The association spelling must be correct. Then enter. Okay, here we can see the display of the NTP associations, address, then reference clock, ST, when, pole, reach, delay and offset. Then type show clock. Then it will be display the time, date and year. Then I go to the JTMK router, CLI, then enter. Password is Cisco, enable, then type password class JTMK hashtag, then again type the command show NTP associations. Then enter. Okay, it will be same like router 1 PO, address, then reference clock, ST, when, didn't show, pole 64, reach 0 and delay is 0.00, offset. Then type the command show clock, enter. Then here we can see the set of the clock March 1, 1993 on Monday. So if we want to change, can let I show how to set the clock. So type clock set. Okay, I set the time 8 o'clock, then 07 August 2022, then enter. Then show clock. Okay, it will be display Sunday August 7 2022. Okay, when I set the clock it will be changed. Okay, next I would like to show the command at router 3 JMSK. The password is Cisco, enable, enter, class. Then JMSK hashtag, show NTP associations. Okay, the address will be display. Reference clock ST16 when Paul 64 reach 0, delay is 0.00, offset is 0.00. So JMSK, then type the command show clock. Okay, here will display Monday, March 1, 1993. So I change set clock. Oh, sorry. Clock set 8 7 August 2022. Then type show clock. Okay. I have done for the three routers the command about associations and the clock. And also the status. Next, the question 2. Demonstrate size log output, size log information and scenes with NTP. Okay, now first let's start from the on router PO. So here I type the command show run include timestamp, then enter. Then the output will show no service timestamp log, date time and minute second. Then type config t. Then type the command service timestamps log date time msec. Msec means second, millisecond. Then type enter. Then logging to the host, which is IP address 192.168.7.10. Then click enter. After that, type command exit. Then type the command show logging. It will be display the logging informations. Console logging level debugging 9 messages logged. Okay. Next we have to done for the 3 routers. For next I show the command at the JTMK router. Type again show run, then type include time stamp, enter, then types config t, then type the command again service time stamps log date time and second. After that type logging host for the JTMK 192.168.7.10, enter, exit, show logging. Okay, we will also display the logging level is 9 messages logged, and then logging to the host which is IP address 192.168.7.10. For the third router also same, must type the command show run, then type include timestamps, then config t, service timestamps log date time msec. Okay, and then type the command logging host, the IP for the PC JMSK PCB is 192.168.9.20, enter, then exit from the config. After that JMSK is hashtag show logging, then it will be display the level of debugging is 8 messages, and then they will log into the host which is IP address 192.168.9.20. UDP port is 514. Okay, here I have done the demonstrate of the size log output.
Next, I will continue the from Ina. My name is Siddharth Mardia Lee. Manometric 01 delete 1 F1094. So for the next configuration is we make a VLAN in the switch. So in the switch, we make two VLAN. That is VLAN 10, name PMJ, VLAN 99 for management. After that, we go to config key and put in VLAN 10 and put the IP address for VLAN 10. So the IP address is 10.126.44.67 and subnet mask 255.255.255.192 and then no chat. After that, we check the show run. We can see we not make the service timestamp, log data time, and second. After that, we can see that interface VLAN 10 have a IP address that we put. After that, we check the configuration for trunk to show interface trunk. So for the interface trunk for F0/1, we put encapsulation for 802.1q and status banking and native VLAN 1. For the port F01, VLANs allow on trunk for port 1 until 1005 and VLAN allow and active in management domain 110 and 99 that VLAN we create. And VLAN is spanning 3 forward state and not front, also 110 and 99. After that, we go to the info page. We type the command is show VLAN and we can see that has two VLAN that we create. First, VLAN 20 name PUO, VLAN 99 name management. Next, we go to the show run and we can see we do not put the IP address for interface VLAN 20 and we have put the IP address for VLAN 99. So we have to put the IP address for VLAN 20 and we put for interface F01 we put the switch port mode trunk. We go to the config key, we go to the interface VLAN 20 and put the IP address. For VLAN 20, IP address 172.16.99.131 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.228 and no shut. After that, we end and go to the show run. We can see for the interface VLAN 20 have a IP address. After that, we can see for the interface F01, we got the switch port mode trunk. After that, and we go to the show interface trunk. For the port F01, mode trunk is on and encapsulation is 8202.1q. For this port, VLAN allow on trunk for 1 until 1005. And for the port F0/1, VLAN allow and active in management domain. For this, we use the 12099. That is the VLAN that we create. And for the VLAN is spanning 3 forward, state and not trunk. That is same for the VLAN allow and active in management domain. Use the VLAN that we create, that is 120.99. So that's